What's up, drinkers?
Welcome back to this week's video on Jessi and Will Drinks.
Today we're pushing the boundaries of what counts as a Jessi and Will Drinks episode.
As today we're making soup. Controversial, I know.
Is it a drink?
Is it a food? You decide!
So what are we making?
We're making a pumpkin soup. Homemade pumpkin soup, in fact. Because we've got leftover pumpkin from Halloween. Yep, it's been that long. And you got an emulsion blender for Christmas.
It's called an immersion blender.
Oh yeah, an immersion blender.
So how do you make it?
You will need the following ingredients. Potatoes.
Garlic.
Onion.
Some pumpkin. Ours is frozen.
Pumpkin seeds, because we ate all ours already.
Carrots.
Salt and pepper.
Bay leaves. Bay leaves.
Bay leaves.
To serve, some cream.
To dip, some bread. First step.
Now we need to wash, peel and chop our vegetables.
Yep.
Now that our veg is cut, we're going to fry the onions, carrots, garlic, bay leaf in a wok because it's going to be deep.
With 25 grams of butter.
Oh. Well, let's go. I'm going to start with adding the onion.
It smells really good.
And then the carrot.
How do you feel it's going so far?
I think it's going great.
I do too. We forgot that we need to make some vegetable stock, so I'm going to quickly boil the kettle and then mix together some vegetable stock that we've got to put into the soup later.
Now I'm going to add the garlic and bay leaves.
So first I'm going to put the stock cube in the measuring jug. The measuring jug, it measures exactly 1 litre, which is what we need. So 1 stock cube. And then here's some water I boiled earlier. Ready? It's like right to the top. I need to add another stock cube because it's 1 to every 500 mils of water. So because I'm doing 1 litre, I need to do 2.
Quick maths.
Then goes this one. Ready?
Okay, now that all that's been cooking down, I'm going to add the potato and pumpkin. Now we need to add the stock and give it all a good boil. Ooh. Bit of spillage, but that's okay.
Spillage is leakage.
Now we're adding a lid.
Why?
To keep the moisture in so that it doesn't dry out whilst we let it simmer away.
How long are we letting it simmer for?
An unknown time.
Oh, come back later and we'll let you know.
Leave your answers in the comments of how long we simmered it for. So we're about halfway through the recommended time of 40 minutes. So I'm just going to give it a stir. It smells very nice.
Ooh, yum yums.
Well, the potato's not very tender, but the pumpkin is.
20 more minutes. See you then. Bye.
So it's been 40 minutes. We can check on the soup.
The potatoes and the squash are supposed to be tender by now. If not, we'll keep letting it boil.
Oh yeah, I think
Ready?
it feels very tender. Got to fish out the bay leaves.
Bay leaf. And now it's time to use the immersion blender. Okay, this is where it's either going to go really wrong or okay. Okay, here we go. We're going to change heads on the emulsion blender. No, immersion.
Just to see what happens.
So that one's plastic, and show the other one. The other one's metal. But obviously it's so soft that we don't think we need that kind of blade. Next we're going to add a little bit of the cream. It's 100ml for the soup, so we'll probably add about 75 now, and then a bit for decor. Oh, it just disappeared right in there. Oh, there's so much flavour. Careful. Triple. Yeah.
So we've got it in our mismatched bowls now.
Yeah.
Time to just add
Decor.
decoration, effectively.
Let's give it a try.
Certainly looks the part, doesn't it? It is good.
That is good. Now, does this count as drinking or eating?
Maybe if we picked it up and drank it physically, then that's drinking. But
Cheers.
cheers.
Looks like a little shoe. Well done. Well done us. If we were to make it again, I wouldn't put cream actually in the soup.
Oh, yeah, true.
But way to improve it. Cheese.
Cheese? Do you think it would work good with cheese?
What would you give it out of 10?
Like a 8.5. Very high up.
That's a strong rating. I'd give it a 9.
A 9.
Yeah, I really like it. There's something about homemade soups and them just being a bit thicker that is really nice.
Well,
Potato.
see you next time.
Bye, see you next week. Do, 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 do.